exciting! Today, we're going on a farm adventure. Adventure needs my lucky toy. And cookies need me. Farms are special places where animals live and food grows.
Look, cows are saying hi. And the chickens are dancing.
Wow, they're waiting for us. Let's go say hello, friends. Hello, Mr. Goat. He likes us. He's so tickly. That tickles. Look.
I'm a chicken too. Cluck, cluck.
Whoa! Those wheels are bigger than me.
Vroom, vroom. I'm the tractor driver.
Ow, so fluffy.
You're the sweetest little lamb.
He's so wiggly.
Oink, oink, bite. I'm a piglet too.
They're splashing everywhere.
Quack, quack. I'm a duck too.
Look, a bunny.
Hello, little friend. Want a berry?
Whee! We can see everything. Hold on tight, it's bumpy.
So many animals.
Oink! He tickled my hand.
She likes the apple best.
Uh-oh, sorry. I'm a milk monster now.
They're so pretty.
Shh, this one picked me.
This was the best day ever.
Thanks for sharing it with us, friends. Goodbye, farm friends.
We'll come back soon.